In the 2023 release, Syspro introduces Accounts Payable Invoice Automation. This tool allows the business to process supply invoices faster and with fewer errors. Using Syspro to extract data from invoices and automatically match it with existing information in the system, reducing manual work and adapting to the industry's increasing need for digitization and automation. Syspro's Accounts Payable Invoice Automation stretches across two functions. The first function is a simple drag and drop or upload of your supplier invoice into the existing AP invoice posting program, which allows the intelligent document processing tool to extract relevant data. Your supplier file may be printed or even a handwritten form or PDF. Once the data is extracted, it is validated against the information in Syspro to identify the correct supplier code. Invoice header details like your invoice number, transaction amount, tax amount, and invoice date are captured automatically without any field mapping required beforehand. All existing Syspro logic remains intact, meaning we continue to validate for anomalies like duplicate invoice numbers and due dates and discounts, which are calculated automatically. As part of the verification of the invoice, the purchase order number is then extracted from the document. This number is validated against the outstanding goods received note for their supplier in the system to pick up the corresponding documents for three-way matching. You can see the GRN matching grid is populated automatically based on the extracted purchase order number. The data from the detail lines on your invoice are now matched against the detail lines from the GRNs. The price per line is checked against the price from your purchase order. The quantity is checked against the outstanding quantity from the purchase order receipt transaction. A new grid is also available, and this grid extracts the lines from the invoice where there are no corresponding entries in the GRN details file. Let's say, for example, where a delivery may not have taken place. This means that all discrepancies are clearly identified, allowing the operator to focus on managing the exceptions. Again, all existing Syspro logic remains intact. For example, let's say you have to find a maximum permitted variance between your supplier invoice value and your GRN value. That validation will continue to apply. Posting your invoice can now happen with minimum human intervention, limiting it to exception management. End-to-end real-time visibility is further provided, where you can drill back to the supplier document from your supplier query. All of this providing the ability to tap into a single source of the truth across your ERP system.